Good deal. Come on, John. Come on. Out.
Hi. Sorry, excuse me. I wasn't allowed to film in there at all. Can you tell me a little bit about what Bill Drummond actually said?
Well, he had us clapping and voting and thinking about beds and modern art.
He just put the world to right.
It's given us a lot to think about.
Well, lots of questions. 4 questions.
He said he was a load of shite. No, he didn't. He said Andy Warhol was shite.
It's quite a good question. Yeah.
4 important life questions for him, maybe for us too.
He talked
But he did
about
ask her to vote on it, whether he was good or bad.
I maybe need like, I don't know, half an hour to digest, and then I might have more of a clue, because currently I'm a little bit brainwashed.
And I think he got the answers he maybe expected.
What did he say? Well, it was the story of his life, really. I couldn't quite get whether it was a made-up story or a real story, and I'm still thinking about it.
I think my overall impression is that his his life is a continuous artistic event, and lived in public and determined by the public, maybe. Does that make sense?
I wasn't there.